Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, today we will discuss about this circuit. So in this circuit you can see here, this is a battery and this is inductor and this is a simple diode connected in parallel to this inductor, and this is load, any load, maybe any LED circuit, yeah, any other motor, yeah, any other things uh, that will be drive by this circuit, power up by this switch. And don't consider this is a switch, this is maybe transistor or MOSFET. So you can consider it, this is a relay driver circuit. Okay, this is relay, this is parallel diode in the relay coil. Okay, this is load and you can consider it, this is transistor or MOSFET, and this is VCC. Okay, so the importance of this circuit to show you how voltage max here when the transistor switch off. So you might have heard, yeah, you might have read in the books that this diode is used to release, to dissipate the energy when inductor will release this energy when the switch will off. Okay, so when the switch is off, transistor is off, in this condition inductor always release a energy that having the amplitude more than the supply, maybe 3 volt, 2 volt and 4 volt than the power supply, always max the here. So this energy cannot go in this side because here is the switch off, and it cannot go in the capacitor also because this is very low value and this is already charged. So this energy will always go through the diode side because this path is very low impedance path to that supply, that high voltage spike, and the direction of the current will flow like this in this parallel switch only. And after some times the current become zero. Why? Because the power dissipate with the resistance in the diode and the inductor, so that energy lost. So I switch on this circuit, in the on condition the current will flow like this. So this is the simple relay driver circuit, and relay is on in this condition, transistor or MOSFET is on in this condition, and there is a current in the load. But when I will switch off this switch, yeah, transistor or MOSFET, so current will flow like this. Okay, because here will be high voltage spike as I told you. So I switch off here, so you can see here current is flowing like this, and after some times it will be zero. Okay, so that's why the diode is used to provide the low impedance path to the current high voltage spike like this. So this is the principle of relay driver circuit, how diode help to dissipate the power, high energy power from the inductor. So this is the very important role of this diode, and it is considered as a energy dissipator. Yeah, it is called the clamp diode, and it is very important, and it is also asked in the interview why we put the diode across the relay coil, in the parallel relay coil. So this is the reason we put this. So you can see here I on it again, and now I off. So you can see now current is flowing like this, and it will be zero after some time because due to the resistance and diode, the resistance and inductor resistance, that energy dissipate, lost. So I hope you got this video, and if you got this video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the coming this type of practical videos. Thank you.